Materials needed: pork oil seal, pork oil, knobs, universal fork cover, allen 12mm beef socket, Phillips screw, open and close range 17mm, back range 12-13mm, plier, and flat screw. These are the materials. So now I will just pull this one to remove the tire. So next we remove the cover. So after you loosen the bolt in the brake lever, you remove this one to remove the cover. Now we remove the screw, this one, using the flat screw. Now we remove this one. So we will now measure the amount of pork oil. So we will now measure the amount of pork oil. So the amount of pork oil is exactly 200 ml. So the pork tube is installed in a wrong pattern. Supposedly this is in the upper part. So next the other one. So the same as 200 ml. So we will clean out the pork assembly, this one. So now we will remove the pork seal cover. This one. Supposed to be there is no teflon here. So we will use the flat screw to remove this part. So like this. Okay, so we already removed the pork seal cover. So please don't use this one because it has no replacement. So first we will clean that part. It has a lock. We will remove the lock. So this is the lock. It's so rusty. Now after you clean this one, we can now put it back. Also you put the washer and the seal cover, this lock. So supposed to be we need to replace this one because it's old, but we do not have stock, so we will reuse it. So now we remove the bolt here, and this one to remove the pork tube. So we will use 14mm, and also I put a marker here so that we cannot lock it too tightly. So I put a marker. Now when removing this one, you need to be careful because there is a spring inside. Then this one, this is the spring. Now after putting small oil, so we will now put it back here. So first you put back the washer, that one. You put the washer, this one. Then the oil seal, this one. So the groove, the deeper groove, that one, you put it inside, like that. And outside, we will also check the bearing and clean this up. So we will put a little grease in the bearing. So we are done.